look at you. Can't even get your name. What would you do? So tell me. Yeah, Arganifa. So tell me about your journey at medicine. Don't forget to say.
What the hell?
What would you do?
What do I know about medicine? Tinga about the solutions. So I'm not in medicine. I'm not in any type of solution.
Okay,
nope.
You have water there? Oh, yeah.
Yes, I do. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
When are we branding your water?
You brand water? Is that what you do?
I can do it for you.
Yeah, I appreciate a sponsorship.
Okay, you want sponsored water? I'll hook you up. I'll do something nice for you. No. No. No, that's look. I don't judge people, but it's water, man. Water is water.
Water is water, man. So even this is just water.
No. But I do branding solutions.
Oh,
I'm a brand strategist by
Let's actually start
profession.
Ndone vhudza zwo ri podcast ti ina mudzimu nga ngomu
ende azwa vhukuma
rari zwinwele.
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5. I'm sure we'll talk. And the roof was on 3. Rose of Hanon, I did a company chair.
Let's start there. Why is it a brand? So I want to cause an HR home the film to go to a doctor, go to a lawyer, and then you do this thing as a brand. What does it actually start?
I just wanted something different. And the one thing that I actually realized with home is that we're so limited. And we're limited because we were limited because your brother is a lawyer, your mom is a nurse, your dad is a police officer, your aunt is a teacher. Yeah. So where we grow up shapes us. Yeah. Arari, the most successful person at Dokotera, we all want to be a doctor.
Yeah. So all of a sudden,
do you understand?
Yeah.
And nobody wants to be a teacher because Mara never did where are we gonna start? Because that is a solid foundation. So me doing branding, I actually first studied television and live performance. And then I moved to the branding side a little bit later because I realized that talent is nothing without the business side.
Yeah.
I'm just going to be running around like a headless chicken trying to do this, trying to do that. And yes, I might get somewhere. My career might get somewhere. Yeah. However, without the business side of things, I don't have structure. What am I building? Am I just going to be acting my entire life? What happens when I break a leg? Am I just going to be singing my whole life? What happens when my voice is gone? What have I built that is going to make this brand sustainable? Yeah. Then I decided to go study brand building management and became a brand strategist. And
so you wanted to be an actor at first? Was that the plan?
The plan has always been music, but and I think being exposed to the performance side or the entertainment side, Chikuani, changed my perspective from what I knew from home. So Ndichida, I just felt like I'm inadequate, you know? Or, I need to have a tattoo. Oh, I need to have 6 piercings. Oh my gosh, I need to have a waist this tiny.
How many tattoos do you have?
I do not have a single tattoo. And then, I'm not brave enough. I have 5 piercings. I had 7 initially.
Okay, I see 2 this side, 2 this side.
There's 3 here. 1, 2, 3. And then I had 1, 2. Mara, no. When I was shooting something because the person I was shooting for didn't like didn't want all of this. So she was okay with this ones, right?
Yeah.
And I misplaced Zwitibo Zwaone.
Oh,
Because they were like so tiny. Then I think like 3 days later they closed, and I'm just like, I'm not doing this again.
Oh.
It's okay. Yeah, because they take a while to close. And no that's not more than 3 years, but somehow so that's why you put it on your vara. But coming back to where that came from, it was a matter of I needed to look a certain way, behave a certain way, maybe consume certain substances. This is what I was exposed to, right? I'm not saying everybody does it.
Yeah.
So I wasn't willing to do that. The terms and conditions to being a musician, submitting my demos forever, I was just like, you know what? Let me do other things. When I can, when maybe it's my own terms, when I'm running my own things, then that's when I'm going to do it. So music has always been the passion. Studied TV live performance. And in that, there is music, right? Because, like theater, you do musicals and all of that, which I did for a little bit. And it was great fun.
Yeah.
And then worked in the TV space. And then after that, I took a break for about 6 years.
Is that even a break? 6 years? I feel like that's stopping.
I call it a break because initially it was an injury that forced me to take a break. I was in a car accident. And it took me a while to heal. And then reflect in a lot that was going on. I feel like it was God orchestrated because he was like, hey, slow down.
Yeah. Oh, you're moving too fast.
I was moving very fast, but in the right direction, thankfully.
Okay.
And it got me thinking, man. What will you do if this is permanent? And this is why I had to go through like a whole journey of rediscovering who I am, what I really like, and what I want to do. And I woke up one day, I looked up what I wanted to do, what kind of made sense, and what would complement the entertainment side of things. And I enrolled for a year-long certificate. I did it, passed cum laude, I'm very proud to say.
Guys.
Cum laude, top of the entire school, actually. I even got like a special award, like the best student for that entire year in the entire institution, right? So I graduated, and then after that I was like, man, I might as well make it a degree. And then I enrolled that to full-time of food. And I graduated, now merged business, strategy, branding, marketing to entertainment. And this is where I found myself coming back into the space. So I call it a break because, yes, there was an accident there, but then I studied. Then that's the 6 years. And then I came back into the space. I worked for a global beauty brand. And in that, I was just like, nah, man, let's do this music thing. Let's see how it goes. And because I would this or I don't know when I was 80, you know. So I was just like, let's try it, give it a shot, and then this is where we're sitting today.
Yeah, look at where you are now. On
the black couch. The legendary black couch,
Oh yeah. So guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. I know but this it's really interesting. So when I'm telling bubbly, I mean, so like, I've job done.
Right?
Yeah, because I feel like unelazonya kutomana jena kamutu na mupa.
Break the ice.
So I'm not the ice. Guadoli question. So we're coming at you live from Panda Studios. If you want to utilize their facilities, na student work as equipment, hire the camera, anything that you know is as video streaming. So contact them 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com. And then our sponsor also. Make sure that you go check them out and check as funeral packages never banazo. So so those are the sponsors that we have. So when you never push or rotary because we are but then you never contact any check packages never banazo. Number that 015-151-0251 or 0252. Can never phone any number WhatsApp in is 24/7 or in operation. Then what do you need to sanga chingwe go to and then back to you, man. Also before you told me why that can't be read or send a message. I was like, let me send this thing to Bucks. Why did you do that? And why were you scared? because you've been doing these interviews. I've been checking your statuses, Facebook, every day. Go positive of, hey, do I interview guy? All of a sudden, young guy will be.
No, and it's not even about you, Kingsley. It's just like podcasts are spicy. They are different. And I'm just like, what sauce am I going to bring? Because I'm just a regular person.
You are
know?
the sauce.
Oh, I'm the sauce? I made it.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm the sauce. Well, look, I was just like, hey, I mean, what did he find out about me that he wants to ask? What did I do? And I started like sitting, breaking it down. In the morning, I was like, Bucks, are we doing this? He's like, yo, don't even think about it. You're going there. I'm like,
Bucks, my
do the
nigga.
right thing. So yeah, thanks to Bucks, I made it.
Yeah, Bucks wants to play about true. My way is not go dapa can arandi ko for atiko ni finra. And Bucks.
He's the plug.
But that, yo, Kingsley, bro, I have this lady and this guy, they want to come to the podcast. Yeah, so man, and then yeah. Anyways, I come back music and I mean, and funny enough, I only realized yesterday, did quit interview na mumu. No, you know, I was like, there's no way. I thought she was my age. And then now that you've mentioned all these things, hey, brand mini, hey, and that, I was like, yeah, she's actually old, eh?
I am. I'm not that young, guys. I'm not that young.
What are you all eating?
We pray a lot.
I've been praying. Look at us now. But no way.
No, man. I think it's just good genes and God, man. Like literally, thanks to my mom. Shout out to my mom. I think it's just the good genes. I don't think there's anything special I do. I don't even want to lie to you, man. There's nothing special I'm doing. I'm just
no Ozempic, no nothing. Yeah.
Not yet. Hopefully I won't get there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm trying to. Hey, Mara, losing weight is not easy, and maintaining weight is not easy. But not yet there. But hopefully, we'll never get there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I think Ashko Tomang, yeah, there are things that you thought uriniwe artist ya big nichitangangeni. These are things that you saw like the PSC and all that, of which you do FT. But then you also mentioned that that's when you go to fit to that extent so how are you able to choose okay, I'm gonna do piercings, but I'm not gonna have a tattoo, and I'm not gonna maybe drink. I'm not sure if you drink or not.
Yeah, I do drink.
Oh, what's your rider?
Grocery, guys. Economy
oh, funny now. I don't show mama. Guys,
even people are taking them home.
Yeah.
So if you want to call me, trust me, in Kone to some grocery store there, you know. I push a body. But yeah, man, my rider is simple, man. I'm not
yeah, so how did you choose these are the things I'm gonna do and these are the ones I'm not gonna do? Because I was expecting a tattoo here, maybe.
You know, it would be dope, but a tattoo for me, personally, is a very huge commitment. It's a lifelong commitment. It's like a marriage of some... Okay, no, marriage is... Okay, not marriage. Yeah, but it's a lifelong commitment.
Isn't marriage a lifelong commitment?
I mean, you still have an option to divorce if you want to.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you know,
there's lasers also tattoos.
Yeah, I mean...
yeah. So remind me to go back there. Remember marriage.
I will.
Hey, you see, I knew you were the sauce.
No, but I mean, look, for me personally, I just feel like, okay, look, marriage is contractual. A tattoo, for instance, we are together forever. I know that there's laser removals and whatever, but those things just yamabadzi. So if I songo to wela tattoo, nacho umbuzi chore endo biandaita mean, you know. So for me, my
Machuli chumbuzi mwana.
Exactly.
Yeah, some say mwana chumbuzi. So it's what is
I'm sure, but I don't have anything against tattoos, like I said. Yeah. I mean, big ups to people that can stand that commitment. But for me, it was more or less, Ori, if I do this, I'm stuck with this forever. And I mean, piercings as well. Mara, do this tattoo is for me, it just feels like a very huge commitment, and also it looks painful. Just generally, I don't think I've got that strength to do it. Yeah. I've just never had the guts.
And then now back to the marriage thing, because you brought it up. That's when you're going to come up with. So you're like, here's it, silver platter. So are you married?
I thought we were talking about my music, Kingsley. Why are we talking about my relationships?
You brought it up. You're like, commitment. What was I'm like, Konji, there's something called marriage. Let's talk about it. Because so you're probably married. I don't know. I remember to say
We'll come back to it later. I need to figure out how to answer this. But
That's fine. Yeah, and then also, man, with the music thing, like, when does it actually start? And then are you actually getting the support from the right people? Because if the people inside, they're not there, they're not for you, you feel like, okay, I'm not going to consider. So how was it for you?
I mean, the right people is... who are the right people, you know?
Family?
Oh, no, family, absolutely. My entire family is there, you know, for the long run, from the beginning to the end. Even my children. I've got children. I've got 2 boys.
Oh, I know of one. I can't get 12.
Yes. How did you know?
Oh, research. Hey, because you're rebellion that you pass.
This is why I wasn't sure. Oh my God. Yeah. So even my kids, you know, they're just like, oh, mommy, my friend heard your song. Yeah. Whoever's mom said this, you know. Oh, I was told to post my regards, you know. They said they like your song or whatever the case may be. So I am getting the rest. My family has been there from the beginning with everything that I've done, even in me changing and moving around, you know, with prayers, with messages, with reposts, with posts, whatever it is that they need to do. I mean, my mom now even knows how to use TikTok. She knows how to stream music on Spotify. You know, she's doing.
Of you.
Yeah, you know, she's going like an extra mile to just say, you know, I'm here for you. You know, I support you. And I also feel it's because they've always seen it there. And when I diverted into other things, I think deep down inside they were just like, oh man, come on.
Yeah.
You know this is where you need to be. And the one day she literally said, you know, I'm so happy today. And not that she doesn't say it, but from time to time. Mara, there's one thing that she specifically said that really touched me, and I actually shed a tear, was Unamutu ane araroba, you know, he would be so proud. And that's my dad. You know, and
Is
unfortunately, my dad is late. He passed away in 2000. So I was just like, I know, right? Because he was the more musical one, you know? He's the one that I think Kamusi, even the music stuff, you know, it's probably him that kind of instilled it with the music he played, with taking me to the choir, the competition. So my dad was a teacher, but he was also a sports coach at the school he worked in. And they were a choir conductor. And I'm sure he sang at some stage. I don't remember that part. But he's the one who instilled the music bug in me. So what about and I was just like, oh, shame, man, I actually get it. And from time to time when I see things coming up, I'm just like, you know what? Maybe you left a good guardian in mom, you know? But I know that wherever you are, I hope that you are seeing this and you're also just as proud as well. So family, absolutely. Absolutely. They are there through and through. And friends as well. You know, from time to time you do get message, oh, my friend, I'm proud of you. Oh, Ere, Rojana Road, hey, I can't believe you're doing this. Oh, I remember when you won a singing competition. I didn't think you were going to get this far, you know.
What competition did you win? Is that in high school or what?
I did in high school. When
so you've always been.
I've been active in the space. I mean, in the coroni.
Task, yeah.
Oh, how old are you?
I'm old.
You just called it task.
No, like Corona is told that if not going to visualize the logo.
Yes.
Marato ambiwa ufiyangi task.
Right?
Yeah.
I almost said task, but that's why I don't have been the coronis, you know, because I'm trying to just pull myself towards not exposing how old I am really. But no winner which could be task. They had a singing competition a while back.
Yeah.
So I actually won that competition. I say a while in the garden. Mara competition in the winner, and there are a few others here and there, you know. Rowena na recording deal that the producer disappeared. I don't even know what happened.
Why didn't you join Adolf even?
Have you seen the way those people judge? Have you heard those comments? I just didn't want to be demoralized.
But then it builds you.
I believe it might have. Mara utambangoti. My fear is who's going to support me, who's going to vote for me.
The Venda people would. People tried with Mathobo, they did with Wood. At some point, you have to impress those people first. Rine vote also, you see?
Yeah,
And if you're saying you've been winning, you should have tried it. Rakudovuta.
I'm telling you, I was just like, you know what, I'll do it when the time allows me, but not on such a grand platform. Ndafeira, kana ndakaka, kana, you know, like I just feel like the comments they don't. Not all of them build you. Like I'm not strong enough. I wasn't.
Can you imagine Unatia was there already?
I would have been in hiding for the rest of my life. So that was my fear. I never had the guts to do it on a national platform.
Oh.
I had fears of quitting because of a comment that was said for the sake of selling television, for sensationalism.
Yeah.
So Ndoto decided, you know what, yeah, and you know, steadily.
Okay. Yeah, and then the guys that you're with now, the one who say in the support, you know, you always go with them anywhere you go.
Yeah.
Because you're jump pegs, bruh.
Yeah.
Guys, what was that? Like, yo.
These are my boys, man.
Do they have roles in your life?
Yeah, absolutely. All of them. You know, I've got my producers. I've got, you know,
Crosswave.
In all of them, yes, absolutely. Crosswave produces bulk of my music that is out. I've done a project, you know, now Big J, Sounds Lucid.
Who's Sound Lucid there?
It's Big J.
Big J interview.
Okay,
una camera ti? Ndo wadau. Abana una Rine.
Yes.
What does una Rine do?
We do music together.
Okay.
We've got a project that's coming out now. It's myself, Una Rine, Sounds Lucid, who's the producer, and Dream Chaser.
Oh, Dream Chaser ndola wodari.
Ndi holo da.
Arukomela chinepekane.
Oh, and Kingsley, I know a Dream Chaser video.
Not to go
mean.
You caught me off guard.
Okay, didn't first script in the eat.
Yeah, I'll do it, guys. Hey, what up? Nikos bona Venda music. Hey, I don't know, man. And then so the guy was black and DNA.
That's Big J.
Oh.
That's Big J. So he's also a producer. So he's produced the project in Ndakweyamba in Erita na Una Rine. Even this song in Eyakobvas, you know, he was part of it. Oh yeah. Dream Chaser, yeah. So he's also co-produced that. And yeah, I mean, Dream Chaser as well. Ndishumanaye, he's an artist. We've got a lot of music together as well. He helps me write. Guys, like, you know my structure, ne? I can't, everybody serves a dual role. More than one, like it's multifaceted, because when we are down, we pick each other up.
Oh, yeah.
And sometimes it's even just spiritually, even just the conversations that we have, we push each other, we motivate each other. So this little circle that we have created, I just pray that eventually it becomes so much bigger than just because we all need each other at the end of the day, you know.
Want to have a camp, maybe. Something like that.
You know, camps are difficult. Camps are difficult because this person doesn't like that person. I mean, whatever the past experiences are, do you understand? So it becomes so difficult to run and conduct those things. So from time to time, if you're from an outside, if Kingsley's like, hey, listen, Eleh, can I work with you? I'll tell you this is where I'm at. And if you want to pull through, because anybody is welcome. We just need you to come with a pure heart, good intentions, and a you know? I love a peaceful and harmonious place. So this circle here, in this circle, I found home in terms of the entertainment space. And when one is down, I can pick it up. And when the other is, they can also pick it up. And then we'll have a conversation about it. If we can help each other through, we'll do that. Podcast Kingsley. We will make sure. Do you want me to? Should I brush your hair? Is that gonna make you feel better? Whatever it takes, because at the end of the day, when we're a unit, we're much stronger.
They speak so well, man.
Thank you.
Like I was just listening, like, hey, I have to go back. Yo.
Sorry, you must can't gauge you.
That's what we need.
Yeah.
People need to know. Then you speak the way you sing also. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, and then also continuing with the team. Bugs, what does Bugs do?
So Bugs is coming in on the marketing and PR side. The reality is no man is an island. We've heard that saying before, right?
Yeah.
And as much as I'm an expert in that space, I can't do it for myself. I can't do everything myself.
Yeah.
So how we gel with Bugs, look, I'm looking to do this. and I'm looking to do this. How do we best make this work? And then he will come in with his expertise. I will come in with whatever. We put it together and then we start moving. And I think that's why relationship yashu kuchimbira zwabudinga manda, because riaringana, when we are sitting on a boardroom table, riaringana. I will not say I've got 50 years experience, I've got this. No, I made this person, no. We are sitting here. What are we doing? What's the plan? We literally strategize and then we start moving. So this is where bugs come to play. And I roped him in, I think, towards the end of last year. Because through and through, you know?
Yeah.
And would give each other advice. But I was like, why don't we solidify this? Because we're doing it anyways.
Yeah.
Why don't we just make it work for 360 Music?
Yeah.
Bring $1 billion. Let's coalition government nyana mara. Ine make a sense and there balance hana zwabudi. And that's where the merge of the two units came, and we've been working hand in hand.
Oh, okay. Now I get it. Yeah, and then now let's get into the music that you do. So what's the genre that you do? Because I've heard Urunazi, house, and then gospel nyana, and then it's like R&B. So what do you actually sing?
I call my genre Afro. I'm still trying to solidify what it is. And I call it Afro music because there's Afro house, which is the 3-step of music. There is Afro pop and Afro soul. So I'm trying to solidify something in between all of that, you know, because in most cases, like you said, gospel, beat, and I'm thinking, this is Afro house for sure, you know? It has that 3-step vibe, and then I start writing, and then it's leaning more towards a very Afro soul kind of thing. But now people are just like, what are you singing? I'm just like, does it sound good? They're like, yeah. I'm like, okay, let's go. Because how then do I make myself unique instead of outside of me? Comes into kutotanganyisa the genre dzinenda pesa zori. Ziko amba chimwe chitu kanene confessa. However, so this is Eleh as an artist, right? This is where I want to place myself. However, I'm very happy to sing any genre. I can sing absolutely from jazz to I can't sing Bakanga, I'm lying.
You can sing what?
Bakanga.
What's Bakanga now?
Yeah. I don't know every modo that throw away another genre where I'm like, hold on, not that one, you know. But most of the common genres, I am able to do that. I'm quite versatile. Dream Chaser is dropping what? Is it R&B hip hop? And I've done something on that as well. There is a song we did in Narupa Manyaga, which was a gospel one, myself, Dream Chaser, and him. I've done deep house, a lot of deep house, Walking Shivo. I've got songs with them as well. So I'm pretty versatile, but where I want to belong is in that Afro space where I'm still trying to refine it. So that ndito solidify your sound. I don't have a name for it yet, but it's dilly-dallying between those three. Okay, you know what, let me tell you a secret. See? Yes.
So here's what I do. So I look into only one thing, a single thing that I'm going to ask them about.
Oh, God.
And then I'm like, do it broad research after or not end. But I know I just want to ask them about this thing.
Yes.
So with you, I was like, I'm just going to call it because Venda na Kwesta.
Yes.
Fine. Okay. She's a new artist. She's going to be doing this. Only for me, and you go to me to research. Hey, this girl has been here, man. Albums, hey, you've been pushing. They were like, hey. Because I'm like, so how is it getting into the music? And then she's been there, so what are you going to say? So I'm like,
shame, man.
So that was super. All these people.
Yes.
And then as the gender, I mean. So
yes.
I think it makes sense. So that's songo za watu. No kubona songo sikukodwa fi unibidza shiti. That was the biggest reason I called you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Look at us. We've been talking.
But that's what made me pop Hayani.
Oh, you see?
Because I mean, look, outside of people that are in my circle, my music is more, even when I look at the stats, and I'm not hating Kabatubayani, even when I look at the stats, my music is more popular this side than it is Hayani. Yeah.
Okay, maybe not everyone. Because my stats also, they're saying this side.
This side.
Yeah.
Comes into rebased Nepa, and our consumers, that are based here.
Oh, I think that's the case.
Yeah.
Because with me, why would a Zulu person listen to the podcast?
You never know, man.
Yeah.
I don't. You never.
What was like? Obviously, our people. Yeah.
You never know, but I think I haven't really taken like a deep dive into the demographics really, or in
yeah.
of which I would like to believe Venda that are my biggest consumers, but my numbers are much bigger here than home. And obviously the small circle tamsi, you're not attached to some shivo, they've heard a person singing, but I don't really know who it was. Oh, Eleh, it's you know?
Oh, yeah, there's that.
Yeah. So I'm slowly growing into the Venda market, but yeah, that song in particular, Kwesta, it's probably one that really made me pop, and people are like, actually, you've been here. Yeah, we just didn't know.
Yeah, look at us now. Yeah, so. And then also as a female artist, you've been here. Like I just saw and go check a catalog. I'm like, oh, okay, she's been. So how has it been? Like, because people say, hey, as a female artist, one of the challenges, are you also crying about the same things?
Yes, a lot. Which one in particular?
Now going by actor.
No, they're very similar. When I told you actor, it's because of what people cry about.
Oh.
The same thing. Like, I got tired. I mean, how many times can you say no? Like, literally, now I've lost jobs because I've refused to do things.
Oh.
Like, literally, where I got casted, I walk onto set, no prepare,
Yeah.
and now there's a character Bible because now I need to understand this person's mannerisms. Who says sahani, who ambi sahani. I just could decide, okay, hey character, you know, finyinya, say you do it.
Yeah.
No, who say like a lady.
Yeah, I need to learn everything.
Do you understand? So I go through an entire character Bible. I'm sitting there for over like 2 weeks of my life trying to understand and learn who this person is. Now I'm living, breathing this person. Right? I even cut my hair, Kingsley.
Oh, yes.
I think my hair was probably this length. Okay, this is a wig now. But my hair was probably this length.
Yeah.
And I have to cut my hair because we got them to a natural hair. At that time, growth I cut my hair because she's a very natural type of girl. I walk on to set. Because there's a call here janao ndaipindura ndarai bathu vachina ndikwa pepsiku ngompesa ndabudziwa zopfi abone abangadhisorina. I was like, what do you mean? And also ndinamshumo nabe. So I'm getting ready, I'm doing this. This is inappropriate.
Yeah.
Why bakumfunela ngechipinga ngompesa? Then I find myself unemployed on Monday.
Just like that.
I walk onto set,
That's
ready.
How easy it is.
I'm telling you, I went to wardrobe, I went to makeup. No, poponiwa best you know ndi ready. Ndiko for bad abendo lenda.
Chitonga chatandaza chodzula.
Chatenda. Njena zwabudi apa lani. Tijena and ndo tamangoto zwibona ngawana mthono yelana na hey character yenda.
Oh, mabudzina zvambaro skofa.
And I was like, hi man.
Ngodibona kachiboni. Hi man.
What's going on?
Yeah.
And then someone tells you floor director, you know, come to a production office, just got production office in Vusi. And luckily Mudau who was the not line producer. Oh, I think the producer. Yeah, I don't remember, but he was a producer at the time.
Yeah.
I go there. So
Jambo ini, you know, that girl, she actually did what you're supposed to do.
Ati Devi.
Honestly, one role ya.
Ati Devi. No, but remember, here's the thing, right?
It's obvious.
No, it's not.
If when you go matric in and upon going to matric, jambo you na matric.
Kingsley, maramutu anga pandero to nyelisa hoy. Regardless of whether we are kona kana konina. Kanona metric kana na metric na. Nikomfesa. But it's just to show you uri niko zibona zila zenda nibudza.
Yeah.
And then ndichitobva office ni yahola ni wabakombudza zori what's the zose zvapano zvishumisani. Woite ya mini zvene asiite. Damsaid, like, what do you mean? Are you here? I was like, so what does this mean? Enoko yo humera ita zvezvila zvavakuita zvinobva nakare nakare. Hapa hune ako aruchera hone. Unfortunately, auchava hawe. I was like, oh, okay. Ndatuwa. I went to wardrobe, ndachenja. Ndambara izvo zvinoenda kotoyambara zvone. Andabudi jackets angane Jane bag ndajena kuri ndatu. Atingonesa.
Yo. So why don't you guys report such things? Because I feel like
To who?
I want to know.
To who?
BCCSA maybe. I don't know who controls that.
Oh, I know some more reporters used to Pedoranga Mushumo for over 2.5 years.
Because I think I've seen a similar thing. Can I get a idea? I'm not so sure.
I think she's experienced something similar.
And then the court, and then she got money. I don't know for months after the Namzika.
They ended up unemployed for a very long time and nobody wanted to touch them. Like literally, like it's just that, you know, like I said, I'm not going to be naming and shaming, but I genuinely know like a person and and now why is this song petu? I also know why is this song petu. Ngauri muthu wa hone ba khou mudwisa ndi nnyi ende oba a tshi diva nnyi na nnyi so yes,
we need the majanga for you guys.
I'm happy, Kingsley. You see, I'm moving on with my life happily.
Yeah, but then justice for your phone.
Hey,
such things.
So
are they doing that also? Like music, are they also doing such things?
Well, I experienced it that time. Remember I told you earlier on, Ndiko submitted the demo, Ndiko ita mini, and I'm being told, you're overdressed. And I'm just like, okay. This doesn't qualify. Studio session Are you strong enough? Does your strong will allow you to? You know, it is what it is. Then I know that those are the things that I was like, you know what, I'll come back, man, in my own terms, in my own way, because and I'm not saying you know, I'm not here to judge anybody, you know.
Yeah.
So if you can sleep at night and your conscience is clear and you feel you did what you needed to do, no problem. But I just wasn't willing to do those type of things.
Don't do that, man. Don't support her.
Guys.
Yeah, you must. But
I'll hold you to it. Hold you to it. Yeah, but you and you made it about Kingsley, to be honest. Some people are like, and I keep saying in the music space. Namusudo dropa rimbo and it's gonna be the biggest thing ever.
Yeah.
Ngarimbo roro toma. Mare ndimuliro wa matanga chimwe right?
Oh yeah.
Abana bango bane they will drop the biggest song ever. Nga project yabo comes here number 10. 10 years later, ndio nakopopa. You know what I'm saying? So ara na tomo check abatui. Nababudzisa nazori ni vagai. Vatonibudza zori nendo tomarini. Mwana fachiri, hey, this was my first song.
Yeah.
And it's literally the biggest thing ever. And then can you maintain it? Yes, you can. Then you're good. And then some, unfortunately, I'm not talented. Hey, couch audition. And a couch audition is not nice. And
then also with the project that you were mentioning, Onodita's project, My House.
Yes.
So I just wanted to understand, like, with the stats that you saw, because the numbers were not so good. How was it compared to the ones that you actually have for this song that you currently did?
This song right now is bigger than My House combined. Yeah, this song is bigger than My House combined. But what the more people are getting exposed to this song, people now come back.
Yeah, they always do.
And say, actually, we slept on that album.
Yeah.
So, for that album. Because it's a solid album. Kingsley, not touch this album, yanga. Rufia.
Ramagumoni, no gospel. Rufimi ndine, ndiene. And then which other one?
Ngandote.
Rufi ngandote.
Yeah,
ngandote. Yeah, ngandote. Mara nyuri ndiro gospel ndiro. And then also the first one, obviously, because nichizuka ngote lenda mnangoni. So the first one, ngandote.
And the last one. Which one's the last one? Venda.
Yeah, yeah,
it's got Runa, Guzbana, Rudkid, and Msamiati, a guy from Tanzania.
But for Tanzania,
international
artist also. Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah, you're still comparing the numbers on how you're doing well and all that.
Yeah. I mean, look, Funa is doing much better, but it's also bringing shine and a light to all the previous projects, because I constantly get people saying that, oh, you know what, I like Kululeka, oh no, I like this one, I like Venda, that's such a dope song and all of that.
Number 2 from the bottom.
Yes, that's correct.
That's to let you know.
You're trying to redeem yourself, ne?
Yeah, I have
no,
to.
don't touch nyana, ndo zamanyana.
Of yeah, either way inyana because
Yeah.
I've been stuck to that one song.
Yeah.
Inezvino. Now hapo mtu unadzimwe nyimbo.
Yeah.
And then go mdzura naye.
Irando
Ifane
zamenyana.
dzimwe. It's just thing. Yeah.
Yeah. It's just that I think muzika wanga, I call it a very matured sound. You know, it's for the matured crowd, it's for the grown and sexy, it's for the people that want to go out, but arikotodova big. Abe net kono jive ati. Zvino Jambori nditoita muzika unoaburi na vatu vanonga nebo ivazvipfuri airova mara there's also something nice to listen to, you know. So yeah, it's more heart and soul because if you listen to all those songs, like you said, one actually felt like it was a gospel song.
Yeah.
But the one you chose, it's not really a gospel song. There are some Zinedzaburi, they are more gospel-ish than anything. But hela album yote compile. It was more to inspire people, to motivate people, but also entertain them at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and maybe also just to make sure the catalog ina nyimbo Zinedzaburi, they define my sound more than what I've been doing. Nyimbo na vatu dza vatu. And yeah, now I was just like, you know what, let's just hoye a bunch ya zinyimbo nyane na buri. This is Eleh sound. Yeah.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect. And then now onto the song that made you come here. Like, how does it come about, that whole feature?
Oh my God, that song.
It's a very nice song, by the way.
Thank you.
Not just to also go Kwesta. It's really nice. Because
Yeah.
you can feature anyone, flop still.
For sure. Ndiani Funa came about, you know, there's a day that I woke up on my children's of the body and I had this melody. I was like, wave, I want us to do cross wave.
Oh, Ndurane.
He was at my house at the time. Yes, he was working on a project na Dream Chaser.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's like a collab EP that they did together. Oh, collab album they did together. So they were busy working on that. So I woke up in the morning, literally go to the studio. I'm like, okay, listen.
Sorry, mukatati. Mcheza ndeni wantu. If la mzidana wa odzina lantu. Unambi kuchito music video.
Which one?
There's a music video kuchito wa Crosswave.
Zino. Onika.
Onika. And then Okayo.
Yes,
Is that the
Okayo.
joint thing?
That is... Yes, that's another joint project I did, you know, Eleh. That is an Afro beats one. Yo, guys, listen to Eleh. I share. Well done.
Back to what you
Well
said.
done. Yes, it's that guy. That's the guy. So I was like, listen, man, I've got this melody. Ningiteri beat. He's like, yeah, sure. I sing it to him. He's like, okay. Then he worked on that beat. I peza. Then I sang. Finish it. He's like, finish the song. I'm like, hi, wave. You know, and then we listen to it. I'm just like, yeah, man, Kwesta, man. Let's see.
It's like that in the Kwesta.
Yeah. Like, because,
Was it that close?
not close, Marandiam Deva. He's within a
Your circle.
very close proximity. Yes. So then I'm like, okay, cool. How do we do this? I'm like, his friend, who is our mutual friend. So I call him. I was like, listen, man, let's go to Kwesta.
Yeah.
I want a song from him. I'm like, okay, cool, no problem.
Yeah.
Sure, Makela as a daddy. That's literally what he said to me. I'm just like, yeah, but
Yeah.
check out, you know, from time to time.
Yeah.
So it was even easier. This time I'm not just coming to say what's up, or we're not just chilling.
Yeah,
No,
we
there
have
are
to
reimbos of the wood, you know. So we walk in, I go this one go you. I was like, no, why not that now you? That well, you know, it is what it is. Later on, it was a matter of did you come because he's coming or did you come because I was like, no, I needed to come. I remember when I thought damvura mromo ninchis doesn't do another guy, you know, so it became like a big I mean, look, like I said, we're in the same circle.
True, yeah.
Yeah, so long story short, we had a very lengthy conversation now. Okay, this music thing of yours, is it just something? Do you really want to do music, you know?
Yeah.
And I explained my story, you know, similar to what I told you.
Yeah.
I was like, so you really, really want to do this? Like, okay, cool. Like, let's do it, man.
Yeah.
And then he played the song. Just like, I actually really like the song. Okay, let's do it.
And how are you feeling?
It was some sort of a validation, you know, because who knows how many songs Kwesta has heard. Or the Patubangana Mumbela feature.
Yeah.
Kind of collaboration, whatever the case may be. And I feel so sorry. I've been the Konani. Come see. Now, maybe it's even worse. So for me, it was a validation. You're coming from him. It really means something because you know,
yeah,
with
probably,
I mean, I'm waiting na rimbo na ufinye rikrosa ngomu isana hayani. Ningomfesa. Ningomfesa. So onobona vaimbi from far and near and all genres, I'm sure. All types of MP3s that are being sent to him. Mara enare, I actually like the song. It meant something to me, you know. It felt very good. Okay, then we'll record it. Let's make it work. So the energy is vibing, and then we're together, and you know. So yeah, man. I mean, eventually, the session happened, which I must say is about a year later. This conversation happened before my house. It happened before a lot of songs. Like, it was like,
I thought it was a recent thing.
no, but from time to time, he kept on touching bass. And then
Or are you the one who kept on saying, hey,
and
oh.
then he's like, we'll do it, you know?
The secret, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I reminded him again, and then January, because also I got busy, because it's not like I was just waiting for that one project.
Yeah.
So with time, I think probably around Jan, I was like, hey, listen, in fact, in Bile no murumera, but then just ngomurumera bit in T-Pits. And then there was another project here, and then it was just like, yeah, no, this one is the one. It's still the one. It's fine. Let's do it. Because at that point, I was just like, one of us is going to win. Whether it's me, whether it's the boys, whether it's Una, whether it's, do you understand what I'm saying?
True.
But he says he's asking for options. Let's give him options. Rawina wrote fantastic.
Yeah.
Mara, if he just sticks to what he had initially committed to, Jambo Rindia Nepal. Yeah. So for me, it was, if anyone wins, we all win. Yeah. Then the session happened, and here we are.
So when you do the session again in studio, do you sing again? Kana ula kosoko imba on top of where you left the thingy?
You auto imba space.
Or you guys are just watching?
Yeah, because it was done already at that time. But what we did do though is just ad libs, because obviously now ono eda too. And I'm just like, okay, I don't change, so let's modify this, let's modify that. And you know, the more you sing or the more you practice your craft, the better you become. So or the modifications right here and there. And then Big J again sounds lucid, then touched it up a little bit here and there. Crosswave came back in and mixed mastered the song, and then okay.
And then if it was on Kwesta, what are you gonna go for?
On that particular song, I have no idea. That song was done for Kwesta, and that's the only thing that made sense. I think we ndaba nori ahana ngabe ahanero the barusiyo.
Oh.
Ngabe ahanero the barusiyo. I don't think.
Thank you, Kwesta. Masterpiece.
Yeah. No, it was. I didn't. I strongly believe, and I think that's why that song wouldn't have been out at all. Yeah.
And then Tiro Skipper Marriage, who are you writing the song to now? Cut off this one. Let him do a dinner. Let him go diva.
Yo, am I gonna run away from this one? So
which one are we answering?
I'm explaining Ururimborova guy. This will tell you the space I was in.
Oh, okay.
You know?
You definitely had. You can tell. Yeah.
I hate the fact that I love you. Because I was in such a weird little space. And even the way it came after an argument. And I'm just like, damn it, man, you know? Because I was thoroughly disturbed. And then I woke up. Somehow it just kept on playing in my head. I mean, it's just those way. I mean, any musician will tell you. It's also so called that tone in confessor.
Yeah.
So melody ola ni wada and then ditch koimba jenezo zo rindo ni buzandiane Funa, you know? And I've tried not to, but I'm here. And I'm still here, you know? So I was not in a good space. And then I just thought about all the types of relationships that we have. Ndichiro expand, as you know, ndichiro mwara further to make it a song. And the explanation that I gave Kwesta ndikozamori, apesa suzori ndikozamo ubisa message wahani. Kingsley, because you have flaws, you're not perfect.
Yeah, true.
Mara, you have to love yourself. You know, you have to take care, and it's a love that's beyond any other. So, it's literally, I've tried not to love you, but it's difficult not to love you. So, is it yourself that you hate this part about me, but I've tried not to love me, but I cannot not love me? Or is it a partner that you're talking about? For me, yes, it was a partner where I was just like, why am I going through this? I could be
after
alone.
the song, do you heal?
Not really.
I still hate now.
Marazova.
I still hate.
I don't think Mabadzi Hatui. It's like a person who's hedge.
No, and
you remember what happened, right?
Yeah. It's fine.
Very the ex forgets, but the tree never does. So it's one of those things that it's a journey you're good out or hangwera pangwe, you know. And then Natomo said Uri, can I live past this or not? And if you can, great. But if you can't, then hey, you're gonna have a problem. So I've learned to forgive and try to forget, but forgetting is impossible. I can tell you that for sure.
Yeah.
Marando, I'm okay, man. It's, you know, music is an outlet. For me, it's therapy. Yeah. And that's why I don't know, you'll be asking me, why? What do you mean?
Tomorrow you're going to come back. Don't take such one and you explain.
I'm very happy to... I'm very happy to explain. It's a Zangandote. Same thing as well. Kaeli shango jiremero rufuno naro dira utomasa vuchiro. Same thing. It's the same thing.
Are you going to sing again?
The Tomanda Busa management.
Management. Yeah.
Yeah, man. I mean, look, it's the same thing, you know?
Yeah.
It's love is so, yeah, man, it's a challenge, but we move.
Yeah. And then as we move, do you know that you're going to eat with this song when you're recording it?
I had the hope to, but more than anything for me is the fulfillment of actually creating something and completing it. Yeah. So I definitely did hope that it will be well received and it will run the mileage is running and speak to somebody in the way that I would like it to touch somebody's life. So yeah, I had hopes to, and I'm very happy to see Oreruko Chimranga and then Not really.
But then is the music thing.
It's the business, man. It comes with the business. You know, I always say kabaturi nisongwetela music for cherede.
Okay.
That will come.
Oh, if it comes, then it's okay.
Yeah. And as your sole means of survival. Yes, sis, put everything in it. Your heart, soul, blood, sweat, and tears. Because it's not as easy as it looks. You know? Oh, I've got so many streams.
Yeah.
What people don't know is the quality of streams also matter.
Yeah.
Mara hela system yako no bara zuru kuitia mini. Do you understand? But way pataho ba de bazuri baba kuita mini system ya dzi streams. And ba kono ni vhudza nori ndi izwi zwine na vhona kha sikor kha dzi video dza social media. When you monetize your page, you've got that back end. Ine ba ikhoni sumbedza dzi activity, right?
Yeah.
Iya ni vhudza zori hey video ya 90 seconds yo voniwa for 1.2 seconds.
Yeah.
That doesn't pay you.
Muthu ava kuri tongela ngapha nnḓa. Oh, did you see my 1 million streams?
Do you understand? Yeah. So hedzila dzi streams, it works the same way. You would know in hopes your page is monetized. I would like to believe.
You literally said that.
You never know. I didn't know, you know? Yeah. As much as there's information out there, you'll be shocked that people don't consume the right information. Yeah. You know, they're busy consuming other things. So, Na said that the quality of streams matter. 1.2 seconds is not going to pay you.
Yeah.
So, already, ndo jena, here's when I touch kota ya nyimbo zanga in Kingsley. Ani ngongkorera.
Ndanda ni horera futhi.
You know, at least kana namsara noshika halfway ruyatenda. Then you are also counted as a listener. This is why people with like over millions of listeners per month vadirwa khana or yeses. Mara here's the
counted.
Yes, because you now did not count as a listener. Not all the napira, you browsed through it, right? So okay, fine. Yes, rodira mara. What is the quality of the stream? And how much is it worth? And this is why even niche Google'a uri number of streams za Spotify, for instance, because people gauge themselves nga Spotify now. Number of streams za Spotify zibadera guy. Go to Google right now. It's going to show you between and
4,100,000 views.
Then you should ask yourself why it's in between. Is according to pay a solid number. It's because it looks at the quality of streams. Did they listen throughout? Was it 10 seconds? Was it 15 seconds? Was it 1 minute? Do you understand? Yeah. Then it pays you according to that. So yeah. So hence Ndishkori, if you do music for money,
then you gotta give your all.
You gotta give it absolutely everything. It's not an easy game. It's doable.
Yeah.
But hey, I mean, I mean, God was just like, my boy, it's your day to day. And then you go global. You know, you birimarum your life. You're nice.
And then after that feature, do your rates go up? Or is the keeper constant still the good girl?
You mean the booking rate?
Yeah.
In the most ideal world, the booking rates are based on the quality of music you have. I can't charge you 100,000 for my performance with one hit song.
Yeah.
It makes no sense.
But then it's still a hit song.
It's not absolutely. It's still a hit song, but I can't charge you 100,000 unless I'm coming with Kwesta, maybe. Then I can justify why, right? So at this point in time, my booking rate hasn't changed. It's still the same. And you are still going to get a beautiful quality performance for sure. Yeah, I put a lot of time and effort in my craft. I'm busy building a band now, so I do have like I think I can confidently say I have a band that I play with as well, because like I said, it's for the matured, it's for the grown, it's for the sexy, it's for you know, it's for those good vibes, good feeling type of thing. This is what I'm trying to create in that space. So it's an entire movement. It's not just music because it's music. It has meaning. Yeah.
And then are the doors opening now after that?
I would like to fairly say so. I think since my house, doors have been opening. Since my house, as much as it's not huge. As much as it's not huge, Dibiwa, my house. And I've been getting bookings since my house. And I've been getting all these beautiful opportunities since my house. With radio, okay, although you said it's Ndiani Funa that brought me here, but I'm here today, you know, of which I truly appreciate. So there have been, I think on a daily basis, I meet a new person that is just excited to discover my music. So doors, as in doors of opportunities, yes, they are there. I am getting beautiful opportunities. I'm getting clothing brands coming on board.
Really? Ooh.
Yeah.
Even this?
Not
you're wearing now?
hayi nani so
Ndika
nichimbidza futhi thi
Ndibeshi.
Kingsley Shuma Besh wewe. I just wanted you guys to know, guys. I don't know which camera I need to look at.
There's a meme that's going around. July.
Hey, it works. It works. Listen, it works. But yeah, I've got a beautiful collaboration with a clothing brand that's coming up. Bono di Tomanyana. Do you? Oh yeah, oh yeah, I've got a beautiful collaboration with Urban Zulu. And yeah, I think Ngabo, just so you know, we'll be officially announcing every other thing. I've started, man, on my socials. I've been dropping bits and pieces here, but yeah, it's official, and they've allowed me to say it as well. So yeah, that is definitely coming through. Yeah, man. I mean, last year I had a collaboration with a car brand. And Venda sponsor yeah, I had yeah, I collaborated with JQ for some time a while back, and what else?
Connect me with these people what's good. Okay.
I mean, look, I'll give you their contacts. I don't know if they will, but yeah, I'll just give you their contacts. Then you'll have a conversation with them, I'm sure.
Yeah. And then also, is there any feature that we should be on the lookout for? You are cooking also.
Oh my God. There's two that unfortunately I can't mention yet. I'll tell you offline.
The two. No, Richie Pay that. They don't know how one. Wala zana waidu to hapo nunga machiro. Wamburu badomza something. Ndo hangu na zonu rawo.
Nothing I say hangu ndo nibuza because I need you to know ndo dana mbiza. Comes Richie dai nite sofala lingwa hapa nun. Rido da na hola mutu. Ni dos Funa, rido danai. Ni wane na make musa.
Really? Ndinyi.
Just okay, guys. Follow me.
Ndo South Africa?
Yeah. He's South African. But he's a beautiful artist. He's very good.
Ndi Mtswana?
Ndinyi mwimbo wa Mtswana.
Ndiko zambori ndiko zokuzamba.
Yeah, but there's beautiful collaborations that I'm working on. I've already mentioned in Enda Kweta now, Rine, Sounds Lucid, and Dream Chaser.
Yeah.
I'm very, very excited about that.
Yeah.
Very. Wait, but it depends when you're airing this, because by the time you air it, come see.
Yeah, just tell me. If you have a tweet, then I'll carry it.
Kingsley. Ini jera chipinga chingapani into era.
Editor Joma 2 months.
I want to trust you, but did you see that smile? No.
It's 2 months. They know. You must ask Unarine. Yeah, you should trust, Yeah, drop after 3 months. Tell me, man. Who is it? I
want to trust you, Maramachero. Anya furupedzia zvakuma.
Ndadi chifurupero before ndichivitanganedza. Zvakuma.
Zvinola furupero lo ya guy.
Ndimudi titanganedzo riya.
No, man. So there's a lady called Star Healer.
Msechi,
you love her. She's really, really nice. And Vusi Nova.
Hey guys, now go catch ni sonja dwana na recommend as guest. Atana knows if I just thought I should. No, here's the thing. So now don't know shit at her. There's a chance in my children is with her. Then the following day it's her. So the zombie is what doesn't cut your kataga. So just drop fast.
I fell into the trap free of charge.
I'll just ask someone around Kumbuzer. Make sure you
depending how they cover it, because something by the time it's no announcer, you never know. Mara, the thing is, the reality is depending on how this song grows. And the way this song is growing, because it's also like it's a big love song. It's a big love song. Listen, Vusi. Yeah, we part to record kaya nge but that guy can sing. That man can sing. Yo, shame. Like, hey. Okay. Anyways,
Guys,
let's calm down. Let's calm down. Let's calm down. But no, that man can sing. He can sing. He's amazing.
Yeah.
When they're just promises, they haven't even materialized. The conversations even haven't happened. So already, it's also big collaborations.
Yeah.
So maybe also that door of opportunities that you asked earlier on.
Oh, you got to move there.
Yeah, because now people start having hope in you and they start believing in you, you know. Also, no rindini or believer or kaini. Utoma, because for even my distribution at some stage, I was just like, how did you get this guy? You know, and I believe at some stage Oba Achichaja. I don't know about that, but
you got it for free.
No, they asked me if he. No, I didn't pay him. I didn't pay him. Nice. He genuinely just said he likes the song.
Thanks, Kwesta.
And I want to help you do this thing because, you know, he believed in the craft. He believed in what I was doing. And like I said, it really meant a lot coming from him.
Yeah.
And I would exposure, nacho, and the experience in the industry he's had. He's been in the space for so long. Yeah. So, yeah, just make sure that you do right.
Oh, yeah.
You do
what
right.
You mean by that. And then all these things, who's managing you? Because I've heard of 360 Music and all that. Yeah, can you get into that a bit?
Like I said, we've collaborated with Billion Bucks. So Billion Bucks is now managing all my work. All my work. In actual fact, Billion Bucks is managing 360 music in terms of the artists, whatever it is that needs to happen, and just making sure that I stay upbeat. What are we doing here? What are we doing that? When are we doing that? You know, don't forget this, don't forget that. So he's doing an excellent job. And I genuinely appreciate him for allowing us to merge in the way that we have.
Yeah, shout out. And under 360, now that we might not know of.
It's myself. It's IG Luna. It is Dream Chaser XO. Oh, and a beautiful young lady called Kidumezi.
Okay.
Uva Sharpville. She is, my God, I can't wait for you guys to hear. I think she should be dropping something. Unarimbo if he saw it. Urangani. It's a very beautiful song as well. It's a piano song. So she's a phenomenal vocalist. Then there's Bembi. I don't know if you know Bembi. Matumba.
Oh, Bembi Mudau.
Not Hoyo. He is also on the Onika song. Orura Onika Roshitwazno. So when you listen to Onika, you'll hear Bembi is there as well. It depends who Urindrimbo. You see, as a featured artist, there is a high possibility that you will not actually rise up to the top, right? But as a primary artist, you may. So and are you going to push it, you know? I will say something very controversial for the sake of
the podcast.
Yeah,
we love controversy.
Although I tried not to. But not too long ago, people were actually on Rine's case saying you stole a song.
Rine?
Yes.
I didn't hear about that.
Nayo. Rine Taylor.
Oh.
And that thing became so big. Like, people started attacking him every time he posted. But the reality of things is he was pushing it more than anybody else. He literally made a commitment in posting videos on a daily basis, consistently so. Yeah, but yes, and him. So now people started attacking him. So now ana akobonalesa ndi una Rine mara ukho vonala nga mini ngauri ukho pusha luimbo, because all three of them are primary. If I'm not mistaken, ungari vhura rote, they are primary on that song. If I'm wrong, please correct me and I apologize, but ungari vhura all three of them, they are primary artists, which means that you each have the duty to push it equally. Ngai ni mune atikoti yodanda niumbudza inene zvidizo nina luimbo lobvawo, you know. So he was consistently doing that. And then avo vanopfi notsva luimbo mara ari ndorutsva gai, which was a valid question. Oruisa gai, because everybody is credited on that song. And then adova naliti hangovi atomari ndirwanga ndindote udzura akorumaketa namse a poster udoba ongwara. And then there was this poster that was done that people literally went ham on him, like they were fighting him day and night. It's a poster dzitwa dzitaru, the poster dzone dzitwa dzitaru. It was Una Rine's face, Taylor Payne's face, and Mizophil's face. Underneath oba hoto ngwari wopi Una Rine, Mizophil, Taylor Payne ndive nayo. But people didn't read. So people that are on Una Rine's timeline are attacking him or why we ni pedzika chinep. Mara nichiaka page ya Mizo na ya Taylor. But the poster, the same post.
Same thing.
Do you understand what I'm saying? So sometimes asi uri rimboro aningo duma kana mini. What efforts are you making?
To push your own thing.
To push, do you understand? Dream Chaser is dropping a song. I have Funa. I am posting that I'm part of this song on a regular basis. Ndine touchline rina rabakoro rimbo.
Touchline ndimfana touchline kandi mumwe.
No.
Mfana touchline.
No, asimfana touchline.
No muzum level akho dota fana.
Asimfana touchline. He's No, he's a rapper.
Oh yeah.
I think ndichimu renkai. Bathu va hip hop vangambulaya manini.
Ari murenka.
Mara ndanga murenka nne ndivona uri uwera ka category ene yabo Kwesta for me, you know. I think he's very good as well. I love his music. Although he's Kwesta urichitera chawendi mini ndichikasi.
Of course we know that.
Yes. And then NA he gives me the proper hip hop, like rap hip hop type of vibe. Yeah, he gives me that vibe. But he's just as good as well. So in that song is myself in Touchline. Na Dream Chaser, mara rimondura Dream Chaser. But does it mean that I don't have to push him? No, I am going to push the song as well. You know, I'm posting Ukuru Pushanga got the hook that I did and then it leads into his verse. So I'm posting consistently to show that I'm also here. And to also show that I'm supporting him in the projects that he's doing as well. Nene gamba 10 days Kingsley.
Should we get more hours?
We can go on. Don't worry.
Break up and then also I think was I think we've touched on many things. But I wonder, it's okay. That's what a conversation is. So okay, if we're rich variety, I want us to do this thing. Is it called a game or what?
Oh God.
Nah, it's not a game, man. No, it's a would you rather. So
oh, okay. Not your penny. I don't know because you know.
No, game it tambisa unari, no, to opedzor pa top 4 or top 5. Ochu.
Oh God.
Anyways, so would you rather be a famous artist with work music or be the best artist who's unknown? Which one would you want to be? Or rather be, so to say?
I want to say meaningful music and unknown. I want to say music because my music serves a purpose, right? Purpose. And like I said, I can talk for forever if I need to. And I feel that part of my purpose with Chironi is to inspire people, to motivate people, to encourage people, to build people. Of which if I had all the money in the world, I would just generally do that for forever. So meaningful music and unknown for sure. I'll be known in the circle that needs to know me. For whatever reason they're consuming my music. So, yeah.
Okay. Then the second one, sign a brand deal, a bigger deal and lose control, or stay independent and grow slower.
Stay independent and grow slower.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Aren't you doing this already? So you evolve. Niye panda mwazibone.
For sure. I think the ultimate goal is to be global, I believe, or viral, or Mara. From what I've learned in life through experience changa, nabatu around me, you can have all the money in the world and you can have all the fame in the world, Mara, for as long as you are lonely and you are not happy with what you're doing, then what is the purpose of living? How are you going to say I've succeeded? What determines success for you? So success for me is not fame per se. Success for me is living a meaningful life, right?
Okay.
How many people have been so wealthy but yet committed suicide? How many people have been so wealthy and yet overdosed on a drug? Why are they consuming drugs? They're probably not okay. They're probably trying to just keep up or cope with the challenges or whatever. And you'll sit there and you're like, hey, but this person had all the money in the world and they are world famous.
Yeah.
I just don't want to mention artists, but I'm sure there's one that pops into your mind.
I think we have the same artist.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Mara hoite ya mini.
Yeah, it didn't make sense.
It means that they were empty inside. Something was not being fulfilled.
Yeah.
And they were just so troubled. Something was not being. Then they ran to all these things to try and cope. So I would rather grow steady and have control. I told you I didn't want to wear less clothing. I didn't want to have tattoos. I didn't want to be twerking because also I don't know where I'm going to start if I had to twerk. But
would you learn it though?
I would for the sake of doing it when it's fun, but not uri performance yange to yoperanga vibration and ngomfesa.
Vibration. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but for me it's just a matter of I would learn how to dance. I used to dance so I don't know.
Oh,
but
God, you're old.
Yeah, I am, but for me kazi na meaning uri nane ndizvipfe zvori I'm happy, man. There's already Kingsley unadhone nangatovhona zvozvo atina peni mara muthu ari toita neni ari ndihone zvakomana tombo zvori I'm so happy, I'm so content, I'm so fulfilled.
Yeah.
So for me that really matters more than anything. And eventually, like you said, grow steady, right?
Yeah.
Jambo ndidovya ndasvika.
Yeah.
Utovori journey yanga ndiyangavo
It's a long process.
Yeah, mara ndidosvika.
Yeah.
So steady.
Okay. And then the last one, you rather perform for 10,000 people who don't know your songs or 500 who are your diehard fans?
500. They'll be the happiest people to have seen me. They would have been the happiest people to interact with me. They would be so happy to even have an opportunity to take photos with me because it means that I've touched them in a certain way. So definitely the 500, for sure.
So with the 10,000, wouldn't you want to penetrate the new market now?
It would be absolutely amazing. But performing for a drunk audience when they don't know your music, they are not interested.
Yeah, drunk. Hey.
They're not. A big guinea, 90% of the people are drunk or high or whatever the case may be,
Or
right?
both, yeah.
Oh, both. Yeah. So, nendiko imba. Hi. Kingsley no renga tikitu dombo nani 500. Zuruga.
Yeah.
And I will give you a killer I've done it before where I've performed for less than 20 people and 5 of them were my friends. Like you said, the crew is big. Yeah, so half of them, half of them was my crew. And we know, we've got this thing that you are singing when I'm on stage. And I'm not giving you less of a performance because the audience is small. I appreciate you. And when you go tell people that, hey, she really gave, I am going to give you your time's worth. Because I don't want to, sometimes you're not there for free.
Yeah.
So I could say I'll give you your money's worth or your time's worth, but I'll give you your time's worth and your money's worth.
Yeah.
So the fact that you're there, I appreciate you. And the fact that you spent money, I appreciate you. Whether ndiya ticket kana ndiyo uda kana nikounwa, mara ngori no derane, I'm going to give you that performance. Riva raro, zorubuga. And echipeza do dandadzana.
I like that. Yo.
Yeah, I'm gonna come chill with you. Like, did you like it? And don't buy that. Was it, And I'll have a conversation with you like I know you. So also the intimate crowd, you get to know people. I mean,
Yeah. Just a few.
No, interactor now. And I've seen what it means for people because when I see people that I regard as stars, to me, I feel so happy, that, oh my God, I saw you. I love your music. Oh my gosh, I get excited. So, nane, if not the Funa, I'd like to believe Funa to that level.
Yeah, you wouldn't just come, G.
You wouldn't just come to no.
Yeah, I get
You know?
Yeah.
There's a reason. And you came for my music and I'll give it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 500 for sure.
Okay, nice one. And then the bookings this side, how are they going?
They're coming in steady. Nicely so. We have, it comes back to that thing. I'm more about quality than quantity, right? There's certain places that I know, call me to your gig and I'll come perform.
Yeah.
But for me, I want people to listen and consume my music fully. So those places, the calmer they are, the better. Because then you consume that music with me in the way that I'm feeding you. Kingsley, do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a wife? Your partner. Okay, let me just say your partner. When your partner is feeding you something.
The fact that you were an husband. Hey, dinner partner. Song of that.
Please, I hope you don't have a husband. Hold on.
Do you have one?
I have a partner.
How long have you been together?
Kingsley, that's a very tricky question. I have a very complicated
Do
relationship.
you know why it's tricky? Because Otwa 1 year ago, you've been together for 3 years. That's why you are saying it's tricky.
What?
Otwa 1 year ago. Anaenda kuusanga izvini. You've been together for 3 years. That's why I said it's tricky.
Where are you getting this information, guys?
So it's true. You didn't know I'll get it.
It's not. Guys, Kingsley is trying to get me to admit. Listen. It is not true. It is not true.
Yeah,
No. You thought it's going to capture me.
Me.
Oh, yeah. I was saying if you have a partner, right? That's going to pass you line. You'll eat it. And you'll probably just eat on your phone. But if she says, I'm feeding you, look at me in the eyes. Let me feed you spoon by spoon.
Watching a lot of movies, eh?
And you feel something, ne? That's me performing for that intimate crowd.
Oh.
You see?
Yeah.
You get the feeling.
Now I feel it.
You get the feeling.
No, but it's
my type of music. My type of music allows me to do that, right? Some people maybe not. I mean, but this is where I'd ideally like to be, We have a show now, Una Rine, Crosswave and Dream Chaser will be there as well. At Hard Rock Cafe.
Santon.
Yes, in Santon. Yeah. So, Kingsley Ndoda.
Don't you see you? It's a Venda. Can't you Cape Town?
Kingsley Nzuraga. What do you say? Wait. What is trying to get away from coming to the show? Just come to the show.
When is it?
On the 31st of July.
July. July. Atichingosvika kayo patina karesearch. Mara, ndikore ndizvo zvamini asiye ruviri wojobek.
No, 31st of July at Hard Rock Cafe in Santon. It's going to be beautiful. Listen, it will be phenomenal. We've been rehearsing. Trust me, we are. Maybe Kariwin is in Tia Pakaye podcast.
Aye. What your bad vanachere dotwanga. Because we parva wini senti.
Nah, I'm
just kidding.
Okay, no, but yeah, they do.
How do you want them to win it? Okay, yes. Just stanza. Stanza ya line ya ndiani Funa. Don't even say ndiani Funa. This is the lyrics or then another tromo right. Then end of the comment these are the correct lyrics. Then they have the ticket.
Okay.
Done.
There we go.
Oh
yeah. Yeah, but you don't renga. Tiri koto mpabo.
The winners too.
Hey, do you break up the relationship?
Okay. Yeah, I think we're done here.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
How can people book you now? Show, guys.
Our show is going to be phenomenal. please come through. We've got surprise eggs too, but it's myself, Rine, Dream Chaser XO, and Crosswave on the stage, and surprise acts.
And for people who may want to book, people who can book you, how do they do that?
$1 billion.
So, and do you know number about the $1 billion? Maria on Instagram, just search $1 billion.
$1 billion is everywhere.
Yeah, profile picture black. Yeah, you'll see it. So anything you want to say before I close?
Oh my God, yes. I want to say a lot, guys. Do you have 20 minutes to listen to me talk?
Oh, no.
Okay.
We have 2 minutes.
I'm just kidding.
10% of that.
All right. Look at a guy. Which camera?
Oh, that's your camera.
Is that my camera?
You saw it the whole time.
Oh, I did.
Because you've been looking there.
But I also like this one. Okay.
This one is for us.
Oh, guys. That partner is not me. He's just said this one is for us, just for, he's spicing it up.
Was it then after the verse? Yeah, the new song. No, just a verse. Like India for no for it.
But the one the lyrics is like, or like on imba kumana.
No, so fanga rawa kuri purati. Yeah.
The nimbera. Era ntumende no mad. Ndo kwa mad nchendwa no ruti fades. The fit fun mad ya.
Ona songuvuliwa musi. Change tides on. Shozawa chachimbira.
Ndoto avula nemune.
Thank
you very much. It was sealed for sure. All right, guys. So I'd like to say thank you very much for the love and support. And kuriwanga mande sesa. Kari se panda no streama muzika wanga. Ndipi Ereti ina H ngapanda ELEH. It's available on all DSPs, and there's more music coming and great content coming. So please also subscribe to my YouTube page. Nishtopedza Obana Hey Podcast. Nieka YouTube page yanga. Ndifi Ere Music on YouTube. So yeah, man, let's keep spreading love. Let's keep being kind and take care. Thank you.
Yeah, then let's give them the verse and then we close it.
Ndiyani Funa yanga pedzikana ndinganimbera nimborothe.
Ila part. What was the more jelly lyrics like you saying?
Doni Ndiyani Funa. Nothing gets up, babies or to butter. Noni wasn't gonna feda. Baby, I see myself with no one else but you.
You're the phone about your Kings. Why are you making my people sing on your podcast? Guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Ndone vhudza zwo ri podcast ti ina mudzimu nga ngomu
ende azwa vhukuma
rari zwinwele.
I love you, homie.
I love you too, homie.
Past 5. I'm sure we'll talk. And the roof was on 3. Rose of Hanoni, I did a company chair.